That way. Yeah, my bitch too foreign in the beast. I don't need her. Put a drop top with an eater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop over just to a chip when I land.
It's a fresh start. We were supposed to start school on January 8th, but it is definitely January 17th. So I don't know what they're gonna do, but I know one thing: we better not be having class during spring break. Because if we have class during spring break, that's dead. There's no ice on the road. There's nothing. The reason they're canceling class is because of some boiling something. I don't know. Some heat problem. It is definitely 10 o'clock, and my first class definitely starts at 10 o'clock.
There's another reason as well. There used to be an hour-long or 3-hour-long sessions or 3-50-minute sessions instead of 2 hour-and-a-half-long sessions. Well, that means if I did an exam, I would lose a class and a half compared to the old exam, right? Okay. And so as a result of that, I was like,
Hello. The sun looks nice. Oh, look, it looked like I got on highlight. Hey. Anyways, this is some nice light. Hey, look at my face. Yo.
look at my element.
Girl. Okay, but it looked like I got on highlight. Okay, anyways. We are currently on the way out
To the
here.
library.
Like, we literally couldn't walk because the wind was hitting our face so hard. But you know, it's doable now. It's walkable. Dude, I had to whisper earlier. Well, I wasn't whispering, but I needed to talk louder because I was just talking to my phone. I know people was like, what's wrong? What the hell wrong with her? But anyway, don't matter. Forget what other people think. I'm gonna vlog and I'm gonna be happy about it. Okay, this light though, like I can't get over it. And I got my pony. My pony. Made my pony learn everything from YouTube. For real, for real.
Okay, I'm currently waiting for my computer to come on. Don't know why it's not coming on. It's taking a long time to come on. Hold on. Okay, there's my pony. I was looking bald headed for a second, but I got a ponytail.
I'm back in 3, 2, 1.
What's up? We back at Kroger. Well, I'm back at Kroger. So far I got me some strawberries, okay, gotta be healthy. Got me some apples. The red, delicious, large, juicy apples. That's what I love.
That's what I like.
Okay. But we can get over here that's healthy. $6.99 for some some fruit snacks. Hell to the knocker.
Alrighty.
That's it. So the worst thing about living in a college dorm room is that you cannot cook. There's no oven. There's no microwave oven. There's nothing. You can't even have a hot plate. So what we have to do is forcibly cook everything in a microwave. Ooh, some hot chips.
Just up my alley.
Look where we at. Wally World. Oh, Wally World. Okay. Here we are in Walmart, walking around, looking for things while people stare at me, talking to myself. Okay. What is up, guys? As you can tell by my messy hair, I'm up doing homework. It is like 12:30 in the morning, and I'm up doing my organic chemistry homework. Okay, it's remembering general chemistry, electronic structure and bonding. Okay, 5 sections of this is from general chemistry. Okay, this other sections was not in general chemistry. I don't care what this book say, it was not in general chemistry. So what I've been doing is, I have a great teacher this semester, and I'm so happy for that, because do you know how rare it is to get a good science teacher at an HBCU? Like, what? Kind of unheard of. But anyway, so what I'm doing, if you haven't went over this yet, I'm looking in the book. And this, my friend Brooke, yeah, we had the same name. My friend Brooke, she was so generous to let me use her book and this book, because these books are like $300 altogether, and who's gonna pay for that if you don't have a scholarship? Because I'm not. I feel like I'm gonna get to question number 30 so I can go to sleep, okay? Because I can't be staying up all night doing this because this isn't due till Monday and it's Thursday. Like, I have Friday to do this, I have Saturday to do this, I have Sunday to do this, so I'm not gonna stay up all night doing this. Side note, this is, so far, this is easier than Chemistry 2 right now at this very moment. Because I can't speak for the middle of the semester because it could be hard as crap. I don't know. But I feel like it's because I just have a good teacher. Because not speaking ill will or bad on a teacher, but I'm just gonna speak bad on him. He was not good. Like, only 3 to 4 people in my class of like 30 people passed. And I know a guy who was in his other class and like 3 or 4 people passed it now. And I'm like, what are you doing? Why are you even still here? How do you still have a job here? Why is everybody failing your class and you're still a credible teacher? Whatevs, that's in the past. I don't want to talk about that no more. I'm just glad that I passed. Good day. What's up, guys? Today is Thursday. I don't know what time it is. But I was on my way to work study when I had to go to the Redex to get my meal plan printed out. And I was in line for at least, no, I wasn't in line for that long. So, hey! Off a Scandal. Yeah. Olivia Pope. So good in the neighborhood. Oh, look at them edges, girl. Yes. I know how I feel like when you have like rocks, a little paper, sand in your shoe. Like, this is so annoying. Oh my God. But I don't want to stop and take my shoe off and shake it because it's too cold. So I'm just going to have to deal with it. I walked all the way from my dorm here because we have a mandatory resident meeting. So I'm going to see what this is about. Hopefully it was worth the cold walk over here.
To rent, we will check with the contractual services.
Residential meeting, and honestly, truly, I really could have stayed in my room because she wasn't really talking about nothing. She was on there literally for like 8 minutes. No joking. I walked all the way in the cold, all the way to that building.
I was like, we're supposed to get a bag. Because I see everybody else walking around bags. I'm like, I want a bag too. I didn't walk this far. I'm finna get something. So anyway, we gave us this big bag. Air. Okay, first of all, it's air. And then we got a box of what? Like, what could possibly be in here? But anyway, it's supposed to be a college survival kit. And some people really need it. Tampons. I don't know how boys. Anyway, tampons, pads, all this different pads. We got secret clinical strength. It's deodorant. See, my slow self thought it was really like it was soap, but deodorant. Anyways, what else is it? We got some Tide Pods. One Tide Pod. I don't know why I put an S on there because it's one Tide Pod. Anyways, and then you got Olay body wash, and then Olay facial. One. Like, dang, you can't give us 2. Like, we not worth 2. Tide Pods, we not worth 2. Facials, like, we can't wash our face twice, only once.
So, I'm fully ready to start working out.
Not that cold tonight, so we are gonna light the bonfire tonight. We got something special for the bonfire tonight, so it's not that cold. It's a lake out back to the back if you want to venture out and just walk out there to see the.
I said the dormitories. Okay. Dorito. Oh. I'm a little safe. No, I can't.
How you feel about JSU though?
I love JSU. It's helped me out a lot through life.
How are the classes?
No, I love
It's going.
JSU. We just went out of the water.
We having a water crisis right now, so teachers are cramming everything. I had 3 chapters to do in one day. I don't even have the book.
I was like, who is playing? Who is playing Mario Party?
That students do. Everybody should get that. On college break.
Green.
Got it.
That's a good one. If that ain't you, got
No.
it. I see it.
Get on.
This round is triple your points.
You got it, Brookie. Right.
Okay, this is a good one. Okay.
Now she trying to make it hard.
Listen, say I. Y'all ready? Name something the IRS might take from you if you owe lots of back taxes. Hey, that was money. Okay, that's one of the answers, but that's not the number one answer. Okay, point. That's the number one answer.
Now that I know what I'm doing.
It was nice knowing y'all.
Where you going?
What talking about?
She said it's nice knowing us like she finna die. What you doing?
Let these young folks know that they're forgiven, that their past is wiped clean, God, that they don't have to take it into 2018, that their past is wiped clean. And so, Father, whatever it is on these notes, I don't have to know. God, nobody around us has to know. But God, they know what they wrote on here. You know what's in their past, God. You know all the
I'm sorry, baby.
Is that a fight?
It's a
You have fun tonight?
I walking on that road with y'all shoes.
I had an excellent time tonight. Young life, college, so late.
What's up, guys? I'm headed to the Burger King on campus. I just left my dorm. That's Transitional Hall right there, and that's McAllister right there. It's not that good of a dorm, but you know. Transitional is where it's at. Hello, this TC. Hey, girl. Thank you. Huh? I did. Thank you. I was experimenting to Burger King, and I'm gonna go to Burger King, and with my friend Ananda. And after we leave Burger King, we're going to go to the basketball game. And probably won't make it to the girls' game, but we'll make it to the boys' game. So I'll show you guys that. Okay. See you in a bit. What's up? Huh? Nothing else to do. But yeah, we just left the game. Jackson State was blown out by Grambling State, of course. I'm in transitional 4th floor study room, chilling. This little egg-shaped thing, egg-shaped chair. You got the fish? You got the fish?
I eat fish, but
What's wrong with this fish?
nothing. It's swimming around in your stomach now.
Okay, I want some more fish.
Disgusting. I'll be over here.
Okay,
Bro, oh my gosh. I look good. I never... Zim.
My name is Christian White. I'm a sophomore from Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Graphic design major, music minor. I chose Jackson State. It's a diverse campus. It brings a lot. It brings the best out of you. It has a lot of culture.
We just came from church. Got my Bible. We just came from church, and now we're headed to the CAF, Hermitage Dining Hall. And later on tonight around 7, we're going to a talent show / fashion show. Right? It's called Slay It. So I'll be documenting that too. So yeah, we're gonna see what the calf has. Hopefully they have something healthy for my diets because I'm trying to lose about 20 pounds. But we'll see. Hopefully it's not entirely trash. So see you later. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that the church name is called New Horizon. If you're transferring over to JSU or you're finna be a freshman or whatever, you know, you can go to, well, if you're looking for a church home, it's New Horizon. It's literally like 5 to 8 minutes from the campus. It's right up the street. If you don't have nobody to go, you can go with me, you know. And they decided to give us plastic bowls, plastic silverware, plastic cups because why? They don't have the water to clean the regular utensils and the regular bowls and the regular plates. It just came to me. If y'all don't even have the water to allow us to use the drink machines and to wash our plates, then this university don't need to be open. Like, it don't need to be open. We could have stayed home an extra week. I'm a member of the Sonic Boom, guys.
Yeah, I'm a member of the Sonic Boom. I'm a part of the illustrious drumline, Warren Thunder. You feel me? Don't do that. Anyways, yeah, the best drumline in the South. And
Tell us about the Boom.
The Boom is hard. Every marching band in any HBCU school is terrible. Yeah.
That's a lie, cause Southern band is.
I mean, like
Southern band is their band.
I meant like as far as like practices and shit. That shit is like military shit. What I like about the Boom, shit, you gotta love the Boom in order to be in the Boom. That's all I'm gonna say. That shit.
So love the Boom to be in the Boom.
You gotta love the band to stay in the band, bro.
Where do y'all travel a lot?
You damn. Everywhere the football team go, we go. And then we go like
This is for anybody who wants to be in the band. This is for transfer students that want to.
How would you recruit?
Shit, for one, practice. Practice like a motherfucker.
Alright.
Audition, and only way you gonna stay in it is if you stay focused. Ain't nobody gonna warn you about shit. Just stay focused.
Don't they gotta earn their spot on the field too?
Yeah, but that's just like what just comes with it. It's just gonna come with it. You gonna expect that.
To the pressures of sin because flesh in the end dies. But where does your spirit lie? Right?
Please take heed and take a seat. Covered by the Trinity. That's the essence of extreme.
Killing me softly with this song.
Pretty good. Well, it was alright, subpar. How you feel about talent show? I'll go this way. How you feel about talent show? How did you? Alright.
I faked my number. Champ.
Alright. Yeah, it was subpar. But no, some people were actually good. To the entryway of the, what is it? The I Love, the Jackson stage, the home of the Sonic Boom of the South.
I'm telling you, breathing is fundamental.
Oh, I thought I knew him. Anyway, yeah. It's pretty cold and windy out here, and I only got this little thing on. So, finna go to my room. But that concludes this vlog. So, see you next time and tune in to my channel. Goodbye.